day to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on group lecture number 22, in which I will discuss intersection and union of subgroups. Now we prove a theorem. Theorem is, let G with given binary operation be a group and H, K are subgroups of G, then H intersect K is a subgroup of G. Now we prove this. Since given that G with given binary operation is a group, H and K are subgroups of G. Since H is a subgroup of G, then H is a group itself. Therefore, identity element E belongs to H. Similarly, K is a subgroup of G. So, K will contain the same identity element of G. Implies that E belongs to H intersect K. Therefore, H intersect K contains at least one element, E, identity element. Therefore, H intersect K is non-empty. Let A, B belong to H intersect K implies that AB belong to H and AB belong to K. Since H is a subgroup, therefore AB belong to H implies that A operation B inverse belong to H, and K is also a subgroup. AB belong to K implies that A operation B inverse belong to K. Therefore, A operation B inverse belong to H, A operation B inverse belong to K implies that A operation B inverse belong to H intersect K. This is number 1. This is number 2. Therefore, from 1 and 2 we get AB belong to H intersect K implies that A operation B inverse belong to H intersect K. Therefore, H intersect K is a subgroup of G. Proved. Now we prove the theorem. The union of two subgroups need not be a subgroup of a group. Now we prove this. Since we have to prove that union of two subgroups need not be a subgroup of a group. For this, if we prove this in a particular case, that union of two subgroups is not a subgroup, then our problem will be solved. Since Z with binary operation addition, Z is the set of integers, be a group. Since 2Z is subset of Z and 2Z with binary operation addition is a group and 2Z is subset of Z, therefore 2Z with binary operation addition is a subgroup of Z. Similarly, 3Z with binary operation addition is also subgroup of Z. Let Z equal to G, H equal to 2Z, K equal to 3Z. Since 2 belongs to 2Z implies that 2 belongs to H. Also 3 belongs to 3Z implies that 3 belongs to K. 2 plus 3 equal to 5 does not belong to 2Z or 3Z, that is, does not belong to 2Z union 3Z. That is, 2 belongs to H, 3 belongs to K implies that 2 belongs to H union K, 3 belongs to K union H. That is, 2, 3 belongs to H union K, but 2 plus 3 does not belong to 2Z union 3Z implies that 2 plus 3 does not belong to H union K. That is, 2, 3 belongs to H union K, but 2 plus 3 does not belong to H union K. Therefore, closure property does not hold. In H union K. Therefore, H union K is not a subgroup. Therefore, union of two subgroups need not be a subgroup of a group. Now we prove a theorem. Theorem is, let G with given binary operation be a group, H, K are subgroups of G. Then H union K forms a subgroup of G if and only if H is subset of K or K is subset of H. Now we prove this. Prove. Let G be a group with given binary operation and H, K are subgroups of G. If possible, let H union K is a subgroup of G. Here let H is not subset of K and K is not subset of H. Therefore, A belongs to H implies that A does not belong to K. B belongs to K implies that B does not belong to H. Since A belongs to H implies that A belongs to H union K. Again, B belongs to K implies that B belongs to H union K. Therefore, AB belongs to H union K. Since H union K is a subgroup of G, therefore, by closure property, A operation B belongs to H union K. Implies that A operation B belongs to H or A operation B belongs to K. Similarly, B operation A belongs to H or B operation A belongs to K. Since A belongs to H implies that A inverse belongs to H. Here, if A operation B belongs to H, and here A inverse belongs to H, implies that A inverse operation A operation B belongs to H by closure property. H is a subgroup. Implies that A inverse operation A operation B belongs to H by associative property. Now, A inverse operation A is identity element belongs to H implies that B belongs to H. Here we have seen that B does not belong to H, and here we get B belongs to H. Therefore, we get contradiction. Again, if A operation B belongs to K here, and since B belongs to K, implies that B inverse belongs to K. Since K is a subgroup, so inverse exists in K. Implies that A operation B inverse belongs to K. Implies that A operation B inverse belongs to K. Associative law implies that A operation, this is identity element, belongs to K. Implies that A belongs to K. Here we have seen that A does not belong to K, and here we get A belongs to K. Therefore, we get contradiction. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is H is not subset of K and K is not subset of H. Therefore, at least H is subset of K or K is subset of H. Now we prove conversely. Let H is subset of K implies that H union K equal to K. K is a subgroup. Therefore, in this case, H union K is a subgroup. If K is subset of H, implies that K union H equal to H, a subgroup. Therefore, K union H is a subgroup in this case. Therefore, if H is subset of K or K is subset of H, then H union K is a subgroup of G. Proved. Now I will give you details of my lecture notes. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.